Hello children, welcome to social science class. Today we will discuss the life of early man, the second chapter from history section. Have you ever thought where human species originated? We do not know exact place, but the evidences show that the human species may have developed in Africa. Later on, human species may have wandered to other parts of the world. Our information about the life of early man is based on the remains of objects, fossils, and tools that have been excavated from different parts of the world by the archaeologists. Children, do you know what fossils are? Fossils are the remains of dead plants, animals, and human beings embedded in rocks. Most of the tools of this period are made up of stone. The period when the stone tools were used is known as a Stone Age. Children, if I ask you what is a Stone Age, can you answer? Yes. Answer should be the period when the stone tools were used is known as a Stone Age, right? The Stone Age is divided in three phases. First, Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Second, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. And the third, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Let us start with Paleolithic Age. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. So the meaning of Paleolithic Age is Old Stone Age. The man of this period made stone tools to defend himself from wild animals. He also used them for hunting animals, chopping meat, cutting wood, and digging. The tools were known as core and flake tools. The core tools were made from large stone by sharpening the edges. The flake tools were formed when flake of a stone struck off from a large piece of stone. These tools were crude and unpolished. The man of this period did not know how to grow food. He was food hunter and food gatherer. He moved from one place to another in search of food. The greatest achievement of man during this period was when he accidentally discovered fire by rubbing two stones against each other. Fire provided him not only warmth in the cold weather but also safety from the wild animals. Now he was able to roast raw food to make it tastier and softer. Some of the remains of this period have been found in India at Bhimbetka, Hansgi, and Kurnool. I hope you understood about Paleolithic Age properly. Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age will be discussed in next class. Some questions for you. Question 1. Which continent is believed to be the origin of mankind? Question 2. What is the meaning of Paleolithic Age? And question 3. What was the greatest achievement during Paleolithic Age? I hope you can answer these questions very easily. Thank you.